But how about this old one right here? This dried up one. Let's see if we can harvest this one. Take it home and make hand or bow drill fire out of it. All right, it is 4 hours later, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and now it's up to 99 degrees. I want to give it another try. So let's see what happens. I'll do the divot and go ahead and cut the notch, and we'll see what happens. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We can bow drill this some point in the future. We'll catch you on the next one.